let us look at the profile of a healer and one who advocates. So, psychologist is here for both healer and an advocate. So, this dual role is so important for addressing the youth dependency and digital media usages. So, the clinical interventions which are going to help the adolescents, they process trauma, regulate emotions, and develop healthy coping strategies. So, while the healing is happening, we are also simultaneously promoting systemic changes and community awareness to support a long term well being. In the clinical interventions, let us look at major three therapeutic models. The first one I would suggest is EMDR, that is eye movement, desensitization, and reprocessing. So, in EMDR, reprocesses trauma that are underlying addictive behaviors. For example, Shapiro explains that maladaptively stored traumatic memories continue to fuel distress and dysfunction. So, that is maladaptively stored in their system. And by resolving them, reprocessing them, adolescent can rely less on external coping mechanisms like social media or substances. The second one is somatic therapies. So, somatic experiences and polyvagal informed therapy assist the adolescents in reconnecting with bodily sensations, regulating their own autonomic states, and developing new resilience patterns that helps them to cope with their ongoing stress. Also, we have cognitive behavior approaches, especially the CBT with the trauma focused. So they address all maladaptive thoughts that fuel dependency, including beliefs of unworthiness, shame, guilt, helplessness, hopelessness, and this help youngsters by replacing them with other adaptive coping strategies.